What's up, cutie?
Yeah, he takes off the line good, but then I freight traded it. Nothing else?
He's got shit to do, homie.
Yes.
So then, what'd you think? What car does he have?
Round 5.
What car is he?
67 blue showdown. I've never seen it. I got right. Pair 5 against that dude.
Yeah, go find a small tire, guys. Go have fun. And it really don't
Sorry.
Sorry, we'll go out and gap him.
Yeah. What are the stats on that Chevelle, bro?
I don't know.
Well, I thought you were Googling them, bro.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
It's right there. We're going to stage you more this side
Yeah?
to try to keep you off of the tar line.
Yeah, so stage
So
me.
we'll stage you like your tire's going to be here.
Yeah, like
So
the
your
inside
other
of my
tire
tire.
should be about here.
Yeah, my inside tire will be right
Yeah.
here. Instead of centered.
Yeah, instead of centered.
Yeah, that should
To try to keep you away from that.
Yeah, this is deep. This is.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, I don't know. We'll see.
When I'm pair 5 after big tire, so it's gonna go.
So it's gonna be a little bit more sticky, you think, or what?
Yeah, I don't want.
Well, big tire's going to put down a lot of rubber.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm big tire center. I think I want to turn it up a little bit because I feel like it's gonna be pretty fast.
Maybe
I think this will take a 140/60 pretty easy.
we'll see how the first big tire cars go down.
Yeah, I guess. Well, and even the small tire cars are
The
gonna go
small dollar
before.
cars we can't.
No, the small
Yeah, but we
tire.
don't have enough time to.
Well, he has the different settings though for the retard.
Yeah, for the retard.
So that's it.
But we can't add boost.
Yeah, that's true. So add more and then take it off that way. Could you do that or no?
This is the starting line. This is the right.
Yeah.
I feel like right and left lane are just as good. I don't know why left lane is bad.
Well, you can't see down the rest of it though. Out here, this is even still good.
Hey, you scared of this Tesla or what?
Nah, I'm scared.
What you working on?
Huh?
What you working on?
Gonna start it up. Warm it up a little
You
bit.
racing the Chevelle then?
It's like teal.
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah,
I feel like that's a pretty good pull.
I'm always worried like first hit, especially like, I mean we do have a good tune-up in it from data that we had before, but it'll go fast, I know, but
We're at the starting point where we were at the end last time, right?
that's true.
So we should be good,
Yeah, we should be good.
you know?
Yeah, it's very true. We should be good. It's gonna go fast as hell. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
It's gonna go fast. Like first hit, it might be a little wild, but it's gonna go fast.
Tesla, that's for sure.
I hope so. It better be. If not, I'm gonna sell this piece of junk.
Hey, I'll buy it, bro. Let me know.
Yeah.
Thanks. What's up, dude?
I'm gonna go over.
So there was an oil down or what?
There's an oil down on the right lane, and that's the lane we're in. But I mean, there's a bunch of people going before us, so
That's okay. They'll take the oil
I
with
just gotta
them.
go over here to Donovan's real quick and lower his tire pressure down.
Oh, you're gonna lower his tire pressure down?
You're only gonna make it faster.
Yeah.
Hey, I wonder,
You're lucky this
I
thing
wonder
only
if you
goes to
lower the
15.
tire pressure low enough on one side, traction control wigs out.
So Hayden's got this Tesla in his class here. It's a plaid. So we'll see how that does. Doesn't this guy look like he'd drive a plaid for sure?
Yeah, I just got done voting for Ralph Nader,
Oh yeah?
and yeah, Biden's my hero.
Yeah.
Kamala Harris, everybody that I look up to.
Joe Biden's your prezi?
Yep.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep. Had to trade 2.5 Bitcoin for this bad boy.
Damn. Damn, man.
Damn it! What just happened? What just happened?
Easy got gapped, man.
Holy shit! Fix your car, dude. Holy cow.
Just blew my hat off. That guy over there caught it, man. Damn. It blew my hat off, and that guy caught it, man.
Fucking caught the goddamn wind of that.
I forgot I was right next to the truck. Let's go. That's an easy one, huh?
Yeah. God damn.
The data log because I'm gonna need it. That's
Good job, bro.
That first round win, bro. Did I do good?
Was that a bypass or what? That shit dead hooked though. You need to turn that shit up.
It felt like it spun.
Did it? It seemed like it was fucking
we'll
just.
We'll be able to tell, but it felt like it spun.
I'll show you the video here in a bit.
Yeah, I need to see the video, but I did good on the light too, didn't I?
That was good.
Did I tree him? I think I treed him.
Yeah, you did, bro.
Did I? Fuck yeah.
I was like, easy W.
Dude, and through the valve body, so smooth. The 1-2 shift, oh my dude.
What all that work you put in?
Oh yeah, so fast. I was actually able to I was watching the RPMs come up and I shifted and it shifted the second I saw it.
Good draggy data or what?
Yeah, oh yeah, good? Yeah. It went all right. It didn't go as fast as it did the last pass we were here, but it went fast.
Yeah.
It still did all right.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. Then we need to turn it up a little bit up top, but maybe I don't know. We'll see. See what the log says. I hope it actually got it. Pretty sure it did, but.
Watch. See it? It just hooked the tire.
Yeah, it did, huh? It did a really good job.
Yeah.
It actually didn't look like it bounced.
You did a good job on the light, bro.
No, it didn't bounce at all.
Did I do a good job on the light?
Yeah, you did. Watch the light. On, gone.
Oh, yeah, I left before him that time.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, yeah, wrinkled the tire so good.
Hey, who'd you pull?
That orange Mustang I raced in the first round last time.
Oh, shit.
Said
You trying to get some revenge or what?
I beat him.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Again, going for 2, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to get him again, easy.
There you go.
Last build, or last time we were here, said that it was a fresh build.
Oh, yeah. Well, so are we technically, right? This season.
Technically.
Yeah.
This thing never got old.
Huh?
I say this thing's never got old.
Right.
I mean, last time he was doing good, I watched this video and he was cutting it up over at Kyle.
Yeah, right. He took the twin turbos off and hey, a whole new setup.
Yeah, I'm just like, you just got it going.
Yeah. Hey, Hayden used to do that since the CRX days.
I know.
He would build his car, get it running really badass, and then decide he wants more power, better traction,
He's
cut it all up.
He's bored with it. One day.
Ever since I remember, Hayden's tearing apart his race car to get it better, you know?
Just keep it together for a season, you know?
Hey, this one he's done pretty good.
Yeah, he's doing wonderful, but he just...
I couldn't find nobody to bet.
Nobody wanted to bet, man.
Right lane. I was right. Right lane.
Let's go, boys! Let's go! Oh, we were flying, baby! Woo! Let's go, baby! Woo! Woo! Man, we were gone, baby! Holy shit balls, man!
Go, mister, go, mister! Get him, get him, get him! Woo!
Hey!
It was gone. It spun a little bit, and then, dude, it went fast that time. It went 2/10 faster that time.
Did it? Nice, bro.
Yeah, it left like maybe just a little bit of wheel speed on the hip,
Bro,
but
it
not
looks
bad.
smooth as fuck, honestly.
It felt good. Do you guys want to take my hood off? Let me see how I help you guys.
Yeah, take the hood out?
Yeah, just help cool it down, 'cause, like, I mean, it wasn't hot, but I just don't. It just takes the heat out of the motor. There you go. Just set it maybe like this, like yeah.
That way nobody steps on it, or what?
Probably a better idea, right? Then
Yeah.
grab the laptop and turn it around. That's what I'm talking about.
Number
Flying.
two.
It went so fast.
Next
rounds.
one would be into the
finals.
semifinals.
This is the semifinals.
Oh, really?
The next one will be the finals.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
this one's
there's
semifinals.
16 people. So it's
Wait,
4
so
rounds
the next
total.
one is it?
This one right now is semifinals.
Yeah, and then
This
one
we're
more.
gonna-
So
this
2
one
more
we're gonna race
races.
now is semifinals. If I win that one, then I go to the finals. So now we actually have
You
some
mean
data. So we can turn
when
it up
you
for
win
two.
this one?
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I need to get some water though. My throat hurts.
Dude, it fucking left good.
How about
Did
your
it?
knees?
It felt
How about
like
your
it
knees?
It felt like it looked good.
You know how
It's good burnout.
What's the verdict, Donnie?
Hayden got him by a little bit.
Fuck. That's what I was talking about.
Just
Yeah, let me get it.
he's back far enough that
Yeah, that's my lights, right?
Yep.
yeah,
That's my
yours.
lights. Yep. Yup. I got him.
Fuck yeah.
Awesome.
Hell yeah.
Let's go get this car.
The reason why he wasn't in that other one that he sent me a minute
You
ago
went too far back.
is he was already gone out of your life at that point.
No, he was there. Look.
In that but in the video he sent me,
Yeah, right there.
and the screenshot that I showed you earlier, his lights were gone. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like he was already, you were
Like
he
right
was
there?
out of the frame.
It's a half car.
Like right there.
He was
Yeah.
out of the frame at that
Yeah,
point.
it's half car.
Yeah.
You can see a half car there.
Yep. Yeah. Half car. Yeah.
So sorry for
Yeah,
the
he got me.
confusion, but
No,
as
it's
close
good.
of a race,
It was
and
close
I
as
like
hell.
both y'all.
Like I said, we
I
always
wanted
be
to
honest.
make
You know
sure
that.
it was
Don.
Yeah. Well, and that's what. Yeah. His car's black. I didn't think he'd mess that up again.
I think that was one of the best races of the night.
Yeah. I mean, we'll see how good they are in the finals.
Both y'all let out, and it's early enough. If he wins or loses,
Hey, but
you should
what-
tell
did
him
he
you want
need
to get
this
another one. He told me to give him back to y'all. He won't trip it or nothing.
I guess. Well, we made it close. One of the fastest cars out here for sure. And the dude's got a lot of time with that car. So he's like been street racing for probably 10 years. So Trent's a good dude. He's fast. The car's really fast. And I mean, we're out there competing with him on some pretty some stuff that needs to be adjusted for sure. So next time out, we should do really well. Make a little bit of changes and try to do better. I was gonna turn it down later before I was on the phone with Derek and we all rushed. And I wanted to turn it down in second, but we were hoping it was gonna get a little bit better. We ended up getting left lane. We were only making passes in the right lane. So I think if we would have turned it down a little bit, I think, and I didn't have to pedal, it would have been way close. He beat me by half a car up top. So we both pedaled it, so it's whatever. It is what it is. We did good. I mean, it's like maybe the 5th event with the car, so doing good, I think. I'm gonna build the blue car. Anybody wanna buy this one? Nah, I'm just kidding, but we're gonna get it loaded up. Appreciate y'all watching. We're close to 100K, so I gotta share it with your friends, try to get us 100K. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I need like 900 or something, so thank y'all.